How do you check your PRV for noisy plumbing pipes? Imagine hearing strange noises coming from your pipes and wondering what's causing the racket. It might be your pressure-reducing valve or PRV acting up. Let's walk through how to check it step by step. First, know that a PRV is installed where water enters your home, usually near the main shutoff valve. Its job is to lower the high pressure from the city water supply to a safe level, often around 50 pounds per square inch. Without it working properly, you might notice pipes humming, buzzing, or even banging. When you hear these sounds, it's time to inspect the PRV. Start by locating it. It's typically a small, bell-shaped device on the main water line. Once you find it, listen carefully while water is being used in the house, like when you turn on a faucet or flush a toilet. If the noise happens at the same time, the PRV could be the source. Next, look for any leaks around the valve or its connections. Leaking PRVs often make noise and can be a sign they are failing. Check if the valve is vibrating or shaking when water flows through it. If it is, tightening the mounting nut or fitting might help. Sometimes, the PRV is loose on the pipe, and securing it can reduce noise. Debris inside the valve is another common cause of noise, especially high-pitched whistling or squealing sounds. Sediment from hard water can clog the valve seat, causing turbulence. To check for debris, turn off the main water supply, disconnect the PRV, and carefully inspect the inside. Flushing the valve can clear minor buildup, but if the sediment is heavy, replacing the valve might be necessary. Adjusting the PRV is also an option. Most have an adjustment screw on top. Turning the screw clockwise or counterclockwise changes the downstream pressure. Use a pressure gauge on a hose bib or outdoor faucet to measure your home's water pressure. Aim for a steady pressure between 40 and 60 pounds per square inch. Adjust the screw until you reach that range and see if the noise stops. If the noise persists, especially if you hear loud banging or knocking, it could be water hammer. This happens when the valve isn't absorbing shock waves from quick shutoffs. In that case, the PRV may need replacing. Cavitation is another issue where vapor bubbles from inside the valve, causing popping sounds. This usually indicates the PRV is worn out and should be replaced. If all these checks and adjustments don't fix the noise, replacing the PRV is often the best move. Over time, internal parts like the diaphragm and spring wear out, leading to inconsistent pressure and noise. Replacing a faulty PRV is a straightforward plumbing repair that can quiet your pipes and restore proper water flow. To sum up, listen to the noise, inspect for leaks or looseness, check for debris, adjust the pressure, and watch for water hammer or cavitation. If these steps don't solve the problem, swapping out the PRV usually does the trick. Regular maintenance and timely replacement help keep your plumbing quiet and working smoothly.